In this video, we will convert between Fahrenheit temperatures and Celsius temperatures. The Kelvin scale is one scale used to measure temperature in the metric system. Units on the scale are called kelvins with a small k and are abbreviated capital K. There's no degree here because the units are called kelvins. The Kelvin scale is measured from absolute zero. The Celsius scale is another metric scale of temperature, units abbreviated degrees C, which uses the freezing point of water as its zero. The Kelvin and Celsius scales are related in two important ways. The degrees are the same size, and negative 273 degrees Celsius is equal to 0 Kelvin. The Fahrenheit scale, which uses degrees Fahrenheit for its units, puts the freezing point of water at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The Rankine scale is related to the Fahrenheit scale because the size of the units are the same, but the Rankine scale starts at absolute zero, or negative 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Water freezes at 492 degrees and boils at 672 degrees on the Rankine scale. The Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are the most common temperature scales for reporting air and body temperatures. To convert degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, we use the formula degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times the degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees, where degrees C is degrees Celsius and degrees F is degrees Fahrenheit. Using the formula, we can verify that 212 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 100 degrees Celsius. So degrees Celsius is equal to 5/9 times degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So that's 5/9 times 212 minus 32, which is 5/9 times 180, which is 5 times 20, which is 100. In this example, according to Dr. Wimberly, an antifungal powder may be stored at a room temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Change 77 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So we use our same formula, degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So 5/9 times 77 minus 32 is 5/9 times 45, which is 5 times 5, which is 25. So 77 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. To convert from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, use the formula F equals 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. The formula may also be written degrees Fahrenheit equals 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 42. We can use this formula to show, again, that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. That's 9/5 times 100 plus 32, which is 9 times 20 plus 32, which is 180 plus 32, which is 212. 100 degrees Celsius is therefore equal to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. In this example, the label on a dropper bottle of ofloxacin ophthalmic solution warns that the medicine must not be stored at a temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Change 25 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. So we have our formula, degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. So in this case, that's 9/5 times 25 plus 32, which is 9 times 5 plus 32, which is 45 plus 32, which is 77. So 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 77 degrees Fahrenheit.